Today's topic is describe a family member you would like to work with. Bullet points are who this person is, what kind of person he or she is, whether you have worked together before, and explain why you would like to work with this person. Hello everyone, in this video I will share my trick which I use to generate ideas for any topic. I will apply this trick into this cue card and then I will share also my simple answer so that you can have the idea about how to use this tip. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Always use diagrams to give structure to your ideas. My tip is to generate the ideas by using these diagrams or charts. So let's see how. Read the question first. Describe a family member you would like to work with. I will first underline the keyword family member. So this family member gives me the hint how to start. I will start from the word person. So in this point, think over the start generating the ideas. Think about the name of the person and how you are related with the person. So talk about the name and your relationship with the person. Then speak about his work. This means to provide the background information about the person. This may include what he does, how he started his work. And then think about the reasons why you want to work with that person, which are really essential, which connects you to with that person. You need to talk about the reasons, and this is the point in which you can cover as much ideas as you want. So I have covered 3 ideas. Let's see what are those. First, talk about the major interest. Definitely, you would like to work with this person. Now, it means you have the same interest with the business which this person is doing. So, talk about your major interest, why you are interested in that business, and then obviously if you talk about the relationship, it means you are related to that person. It could be your relative, it could be your friend, it could be your father or mother. So you could say that you usually talk about the business with that person. Now what are the talks? You could say I usually spend quality time to know what are the ups and downs of the business. And then you can say that this person is a guider to you. Obviously this person is into the business from many times and he or she has the experience more than you. So you could say he's a mentor to you. You can learn various things if you work with this person. So this is how you can generate your ideas. If you are making a structure, definitely you can able to speak at least for 2 minutes, which is required in I'll speaking. Hope this diagram is clear and helpful to you. If is there any doubt, please write it on the comment section. Always start your cue card with the journal line and then introduce your topic by saying, today I would like to talk about this or I'm going to talk about that. And then start your first bullet point, started giving the explanation, talk about your relationship, talk about the name of the person, and then also talk about the work of the person. So let's see what I have written. Working with the family member is a blessing for me. Even in my country, most individuals join the family business. Today, I would like to talk about my father, whom I would like to join in the future. My father is a businessman. His name is Paramjit Singh and he is tall and handsome. He is in his early 60s. He runs a sports business where all kinds of sports items are traded. In this point, talk about the nature of the person. What is the nature of the person? He is friendly, he is hardworking, how he is related to his work. So you can talk about the nature of the person. You can talk about the personality features of the person. Let's see what I have written. He is very hardworking and passionate about his work. He is also kind-hearted and down to earth. He knows well how to make a balance between personal and professional life. Although his work is very hectic, he spends quality time with the family member. For this point, either you could say yes or no, but always elaborate your point. Always give reasons that why you are saying yes or no. Let's see how. Yet he is running business in India, but he is also planning to expand this business in abroad. So I wish I could join him. I have major interest in marketing and I'm pursuing my masters in it. If I could join my father, definitely I can brush my marketing skills. Due to academic pressure, I don't get a chance to work with him. I wish to complete my studies soon so that I can start working with him. So, as I said that I don't get a chance to work with him, I have given the reason that due to academic pressure. So, always try to elaborate your point. Now, in this point, I have covered my reasons that why I would like to work with this person. So, let's see how. The reasons of working with him are that I know this person from early age, as my father always talked to me about the ups and downs of it. Moreover, he knows all my strengths and weaknesses, so he is the right person to guide me. He is not only my parents but also my mentor. I learned various life lessons from him. So I think by collaborating, we can touch new heights in the sports business. Now, this is my simple answer. This is the end of the video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.